Okay, here we have the fun of having 4 little kittens in here. One is in the tunnel. See, they're just coming out. Let's see if I can keep them straight. These are all with the Queenie Foundation. They are 14 weeks old. They're being adopted in pairs. So, the gray tabby here is a boy, and that's, Luke. And he's being adopted with, sibling spatting. The girl just went in the tunnel. Who is Leia? Come back out, sweetie. Yoo-hoo. That's Leia. Okay? So, girl obviously being adopted with the gray tabby, Luke. And the others are little, mostly black. White feet, a little white on the chest. That one is, I can't remember. The black one. Oh, that's the girl. That's Mitzi. And she is being adopted with the other tabby in white that just went in the tunnel. Of course, as soon as you want to photograph them, they hide, right? That one that's the tabby in white that has more white is male named Ollie. Where'd you go? You see you in here too? Yep, there he is. That's Ollie. Okay. Kittens love laundry even when it's in a plastic bag. Love the sound of that plastic bag, I imagine, huh? Oh, you don't want to go in there.